WTF, dude. Hello my friends, I'm Brian, and this channel is all about making resto conversions into some really sweet rides, modernizing them along the way, and a lot of lessons learned along the way. In this episode, we're going to strip down the 1968 convertible. This convertible was a barn find. Didn't know if it ran when we got it, but we put some new fluids in and it busted off. We are super excited about that, but now it's time to get through some body work. So right now we're gonna give this thing a bath, and then we're going to remove all the trim and then get to some body work. So get that body in some shape. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Well, let's go. Now the fun part is not to make any funny faces while you're unbolting things, and then to keep the hardware and not lose it. Probably we'll put it in a bag and label it. Any funny faces? Probably so. Yeah, I gotta disconnect it first. Duh. Forgot to get video of the top going down. Original, and it works. Kind of. It's not going all the way down, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it, get it, get it. Hey guys, big gulps, huh? Well, see you later.
All right. Well, see you later.
So guys, the Eastwood contour stripping machine didn't work out like I wanted it to. It really was probably user error. Maybe I didn't have the right drum. I was using an 80 grit interleaf drum. It just didn't grab any of the material like I thought it would and should. I would sit on top of a particular area. I felt like it was too long. And it just wasn't working, wasn't grabbing the material like it should. And like it had on the other previous video where we stripped down the surface rust off of a 68 Mustang. But I still got some hope for it, and maybe, again, like I said, maybe it was just user error. I got the wrong kind of drum for the application that I was trying to use it for, so I am hopeful for it. So we're gonna use it again on some more projects, I'm sure of it. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know that it didn't go well with this one at first, but you know, it actually probably worked out better because I got to do some block sanding. And I had so much more control with a hand sander. So I know guys that can use those electric machines and use them well, and you know, power to them, no pun intended, but I have so much more control with a hand sander than I do with a electric sander. So guys, helpful tip, I don't know, or lesson learned for sure. Let's see, maybe I'll get in touch with Eastwood and see if they can tell me if there's a better option for me. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video or you found it somewhat useful, please smash that like and subscribe button for me. The algorithm loves that, and personally, I love you guys and I love this community, and the build community has just meant so much to me throughout the years. So I'm excited about just sharing content with you guys. So if you like this, please smash the like or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next one.